Posik ni phai isi suri hini ring korot trokani dipu Jirsong Asong se ke hem tu nalong PIETNE AGRO Foundation lapen Jirsong Asong chelang si rabar katiki atuma phan panong si group processing Kangpu jaime kedeng pon. Lapusona porahut Karbi Anglong arlo kado kavi long nerkep group processing center atuma phan sikalak plikep achekta AGRO processing center tin atuma phan pipa jirpon. Labangso Group Processing Center atum Devak mati rabar katiki ahin kapaching thurpon chiaphan PIETNE AGRO Foundation lapen Jirsong Asong atum bor iponlo. Ladak rabar aphik setame quality pe me muchot lapen a production ta ke paong muchot lapen ador setame ke long ke paong pon chiaphan si RDP pon puta bangso mai long chitong dun alusia tum pen pherang ke thengno lam the nang pachini dun rinti. News Desk Report Cut News.
Actually, we are from Rubber Board and we come under Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. Myself, M. Vasandagesan, I am Executive Director, Rubber Board. He is Dr. Siju T. He is the Rubber Production Commissioner. He is Mr. Kuruvilla Cherian. He is the Regional Officer from Dimapur, Nagaland. Madam Ambli, she is from Regional Office, Nagaon. So many other officers also have come from engineering and processing, PNQC, processing and quality control division, where this GPC scheme is being implemented. Where Mr. Joint Director, Mr. Armugham, quality control officer, Mr. Biju, engineer, Mr. Arif, everyone has come here because to to understand the further needs of the rubber growers here. This with the objective of overall development of rubber in India. So, in the entire Northeast, we are having very good hope for expanding the plantations, rubber plantations, because lot of suitable area is there in the entire Northeast, including Karbi Anglong district. But this particular visit, it is not for a new plantation. This is for already existing plantations. Whatever the rubber comes, we have to process into the sheets. That is commercial form of rubber, so that it can be purchased by the consuming industry in good rate, good price. That is why we have come here to inaugurate 8 number of group processing centers here.
So, sir, these 8 group numbers of processing centers are scattered around both Karbi and Long. So, yes. What are their activities and what are they doing?
Yeah. So this group processing center, before I tell about the group processing center, I like to tell about the RPS, Rubber Producers Society. Okay. The Rubber Producers Society is a society where the rubber growers are members under the particular society. Maybe 60 members, 60 growers, 70 growers, maybe 100 growers also. They will come together. So whatever they tap the latex, then they will bring it to the rubber producer society. Then they will process into sheet collectively. Okay. Then, if the group processing center is there, then the quality of the sheet will be good. Otherwise, they will dry in the open area and the quality may not be good. Then, if the quality is not there, whatever the effort they put, the price will be very less in the market. So, the group processing center is very important to get the quality of the as decided by the company. At the same time, it fetches good rate for the growers. So, group processing center is a collective effort by the many small growers under the RPSs to make the quality sheet and to get the good prices.
So, sir, what is the financial? Is there any financial support for the group processing center?
Yes, there is a financial support under the rubber board with the support of Government of India. For the Northeast, we are giving 40 lakh rupees or 90% of the total cost. So, on an average, more than 40 lakhs, the group processing center, the RPS, they may have to spend between 5 to 10 lakh rupees from their associated money. They collect money from the members of the RPSs, they come forward. So, rubber board under the Government of India, we are giving 40 lakh rupees for each construction of group processing center under the RPS.
So, with you, the Jirsong Asong this in collaboration with the rubber board?
No, it's not a collaboration. Lot of NGOs like Jirsong, Asong, and then this PIETNE AGRO foundations. So many they support us in uh, mobilizing the growers. Because here the growers are in different locations and they are in very interior remote locations. It is very tough to understand their need without the support of the local activists like Jirsong Asong and Pietne Agro Foundation. Many such organizations across the Northeast, they are helping the rubber board to reach our objective to the remote locations.
So, sir, during this ceremony, uh, what are the assistance given to the group?
Yeah. See, actually, this particular 40 lakhs is given in the stage wise. So final amount we have distributed today. So that means now the group processing center is ready for processing the sheets. So since to keep instead of keeping 8 different places the inaugural program, we have requested all the RPS presidents to come here so that we can have a collective ceremony here so that we can actually motivate them to use in the fullest form of the group processing center.
Then, sir, I want to know what is the economic prospect by taking up rubber plantation? What will be the economic prospect for our people here?
Yeah, actually, I'll tell you overall picture instead of coming down to only Karbi Anglong. See, in India, last year we have that is consuming industry have imported more than 9,000 crore worth of rubber because it is not available in India. So whatever rubber produced in India, that will be consumed by the industry. The consuming industry are actually twofold. One is the tire industry, another is the non-tire industry. Non-tire industry also very good demand is there. More than 40,000, 50,000 number of rubber products are there in India. Okay, lot of rubber products. So already more than 35 percentage of demand in India we are not able to meet. So whatever the growers produces, they will be having the demand. And you know, in the last 2 years, once it has gone up to 247 per kg. I am telling about the sheet RSS4 per kg. And this year it has gone up to 262 rupees per kg. So rubber board foreseeing the price of the rubber will be good and it will be reasonable in coming years also.
Sir, can you tell us about the area of rubber plantation in district?
See, actually, I may not be able to tell exactly in this particular district, but overall in India, we have more than 9 lakh hectare available in India. First state, more area in Kerala, in the state of Kerala. Second falls under Tripura, followed it up with the in northeastern means followed it up with the Assam and then Nagaland. Other places, very less, maybe 3,000 hectare, 2,500 hectare, but expansion is happening. Yeah.
So finally, what is your message to our people to encourage taking up rubber plantation as an economic prospect or economic
Yes.
income?
Yes. So, Rubber Board is happy to note that more than 100 participants from different parts of Karbi Anglong district and nearby district have come and participated today here. And the growers are actually more motivated because of the good price and the very good support from the Government of India through Rubber Board of India. They are actually getting motivated and we are here to help them and each and every step in the rubber processing so they can have trust on the rubber board so that we are there with them always. So through the regional office and through the field stations, we will be there among them. So they can go for rubber, more rubber, and they can produce more rubber so that the import can be reduced.
Natural rubber is coming from the tree. After 7 years, we are tapped and getting the rubber convert to the marketable form. Marketable form means as such liquid. That is a latex cannot do any good quality of product, rubber product, like tire, non-tire, chappals. We cannot make the good quality. So this is after getting the latex from the tree to convert to marketable form. It is one of the primary processes named rubber sheet. That is a ripped smoked sheet. In the market calling RSS. There are the 5 grades. RSS 1X, RSS 1, ripped smoked sheet 2, RSS 3, RSS 4, and RSS 5. Total 6 grades are there. This is a material simple process in the small growers. It is not the big industries record. It is small growers to convert this rubber to the marketable to supply to the tire industry, non-tire industries. That purpose, this rubber small growers making different quality. That means one household there is 2 seats, 5 seats, 10 seats, or 100 seats also. It is not uniformity. So that's why the group processing centers, we make the rubber producing societies, minimum 20-25 families. That is called one beneficiaries. So we are considering more than 25. It is one RPS, the rubber producing society. So many rubber producing society together giving big rubber is coming to the factory, no? That is called the fruit processing center. You can buy from the individuals, we buy from the own members. So we are forming the group processing center. Each that is 8 GPC we formed in the Karbi along. That is more than 60 families, beneficiaries. So they are coming and giving the latex as well as they are working for the making the good quality of the sheet rubber, sending to the market. They are the now each people having the employer. So that why advantage is this rubber, it is uniformity quality. We will get the consistency in quality. So the tire company require consistency in quality, so that they are mixing with the chemicals and other this material to make the tire to get the uniformity quality. Otherwise, what happens? It will be defect the product. Product will defect, and also they cannot compete with the international market. They cannot compete with the internal tire market. So that's why they want the quality and quantity also. That's already I mentioned this this presentation. Quality and quantity automatically come to the marketability. So quantity is required. That's why the people are instead of 1 seat, 2 seat selling to the market, we will send the one load truck containing 20 ton, 40 ton, we will get the weekly getting. So we will get the uniformity quality as well as the quantity to get the better price. So now the price is international, the Indian price, international price more than 250 rupees per kg. But now your farmers getting, because of the quality issues, less than 200 rupees only getting. Around 50 to 60 rupees losing. That's why rubber board is having the scheme. That is a scheme of group processing center, one of the scheme. We are having so many schemes, but in our department, engineering processing department, giving one of the scheme is already mentioned that 40 in the case of northeast area, 40 lakhs per GPC we are giving. Then that is a 90% of the total investment. They have to show the 20 cent land. Then remind that construction and making the smokehouse, the seating roller, then tray, and that is all utilities. So we have to we will give 40 lakhs and 90% of the total investment. So what about the 10%? 10% our this organization name or just now that is the formed society, the marketing society, to facilitate the people like these people, and they are giving some subsidy for the 2-3 lakhs they are giving. But what about the remaining amount? Remaining amount we are adjusting with their work. Even that group processing center, they will give the labor, no? Their utilization for labor. That labor charge they are we are not taking. We are utilized for the 5 lakhs among the 40 lakhs. 40 around this project is cost of 45 lakhs. And the second thing, the tire major nowadays want the purity and without the foreign materials. If your foreign materials is there, one piece is enough to puncture in the tire. The side wall is a thin. The olden days, what happened inside the tube? Now only tubeless tire, and our road also very narrow and sophisticated car too. So they want the purity of the rubber. So we are making we are giving the sealing the rubber and making the dilution. The rubber containing 30 to 35% rubber content. Remaining is water, organic, inorganic matter. The 30% reduced to the 15%, so that it is easy to seating. And making the screws, that is a ripped smoke sheet screws are there. The screws to expand the surface area so that easy to dry in the low temperature, 40 to 60 degree temperature they are putting in the smokehouse so that easy to dry and getting the good quality. If you are not dry, fungus will attack. That's why the fungus once attack, it will be spoiling the rubber. Nobody wants the quality. That's why we are giving the technical support, financial support, and marketability also we are arranging. But we don't have any role in the that finance, the transaction, those things. That is a supplier, and also they are arranging this. Now tire company they want the bulk quantity, 30 ton, 50 ton, 100 ton capacity. So these are the type of organization, marketing company to collect the entire material to making the trading and selling to the market. That is our motto. And the same thing is happened around 20. This year our scheme is 20 GPC we done. Here done 8, and 5 is done from Nagaland, 2 is from Meghalaya, 1 is from Andhra also, 1 is from Karnataka. So these are the non-trading area. That's a trading area, non-trading area. So these are the aim to making the bulk quantity and supply to the good material, to quality material to the tire industries. Already mentioned that tire and two sector, tire and non-sectors. Tires like that's nowadays a radius tire. So they want the quality. In the non-tire also, non-tire sector, conveyor belt, that's Hawaii chappal, bush, oil seal, oru. These are the material. Lot of demand is there. That's why see in Kerala, olden days there's a 60%, 40% only quality material. Now they're master making the 80% quality material. So now here only 20% making the quality material. So we have our aim to increase the this is a plantation material. We cannot 100% make it. So we cannot do because the plantation material, any man making the product, it is the seed rubber. So it will happen, but we enhance the quality to 20% to 80%. That is our motto.
Sir, till now,
RPS now GPC nearby they can supply the material either way, wet material to dry it. Their hand roller making the drying and taking back and market or selling to their RPS also. That one possibility is there. Second thing, they can join with the GPS with recommendation from their committee is there. There are board members, president, vice president, and board member. They have to agree because already set up. But we don't have any role to we have the one every GPC rubber board is a technical director. So we will recommend. There is no doubt because we want a more quantity. The capacity is now most of the GPCs often that is a 1,000 kilo per GPC per day we can make. That means one sheet containing 500 grams. That's a half kg. So some people having the tapping and some rainy season, so production will come down. So we have to utilize the 100. It should not be 100 days. any project, my experience, any project, the cost of the capacity should be above 50%. Then only any GPC, any organization will survey. So underutilized should not be there. If they want to do the job work, we will do the job work. Or some people are ready to join the GPC, we are ready to join with make increase the capacity, but everything we are monitoring. That is only advantage. We are monitoring everything. Price wise, we are making the SOP, standard operating procedure. What is the market price minus processing charge 15 rupees. We are taking each GPC having the dry rubber content. That's a rubber having how much rubber is there inside per kg per liter. So we have the laboratory in each GPC we are set up. So they will pay the based on the rubber content, not for the total weight. Minus 15 rupees is the processing cost, handling charge, marketing charge. Those things we are taking. Then that material we will join hardly welcome, because we want the centralized to make the one quality. That is a
But then, once you, if I am not mistaken, you mentioned about that quality and quality.
We have a big research department in the even Guwahati is there, and Tripura is there, in Kerala also there. So we are recommended, olden days also, now also recommended that we check the soil temperature, environmental, to protect the environment. Such a clone only we planted. Now it is what the planted here, it is viable. We will get the good quality as well as quantity. That some issue was there in the Meghalaya area only, because of soil, because of the clone changes, climate changes. Here it is suitable for the rubber. The world is reduced, increases 5 degree increases, world temperature. So olden days not suitable for here. Now is suitable for rubber. The natural rubber, the rubber growing minimum temperature should be 20 degree, maximum 40, maximum 36 degree. But if we are going 40, 45 also, sometimes it's okay. It will grow. Then 125 days to 150 rainy days record. Here already 100 days rainy also there. Like that is 200 mm to millimeter to 3000 millimeter rainfalls are there in Kerala. Here less. That's why we are calling the non-traditional area. And such a way that we are changing the clone. 400 series, 500 series, rubber board clone and Malaysian clone. We are planted here. Mixed clone also there. So among the all clone, if coming out to the market, it is suitable for, it is a good quality will get, and tire also accepted. That's why tire major is invested 1,100 crore in northeast. That is up to September we are operating, and everything spent. Only 100 crores they are waiting for giving for the seed making also. There
Are far away from the GPC. And now it is informed to us that there are 4 more GPCs can be opened in Karbiang law. Yeah, that's right. So we have already selected 4 more centers. That is Habjan one, then Kamalauso one, then Dolamara, and then 4 places. So Habjan and Dolamara, Gambangad, and Samlai. These are the remote places we have selected so that they can also benefit from the rubber coating scheme. Adding to this, we are taking up this work because there are many other schemes along with it. For example, education of your children, then insurance scheme, toilet making, and so on. There are various schemes also that they can benefit for it. So in a way, these through this rubber cultivation, they can enhance their economy, and they can make a total difference in their life situation. They can improve their living standard because they can get more or less a daily income.
daily money they can receive it. The problem with other crops, maybe in once in a year or once in 2 months, something you get. But this is more or less daily you get income, money crop. And therefore we are encouraging and making our people to aware of it. Also, rubber board also giving opportunity to new cultivation as well. So hopefully in the future, as already Sir has mentioned, the economy of the rural people will be improved and their life situation will be enhanced. So that's why we are taking up this connecting task.
PC Group Processing Center for scheme la 40 lakhs ada ke tok lake hala robot board Ministry of Commerce bola dak do Ministry of Commerce of la pen kenela robot board tum la nangi 40 lakhs la so tangka bangke lage hem kikim si 40 lakhs scheme dola dak si a hem dolo smoke house dolo la penala machine dolo ladak masih koipo ladak masih ko jortupo la so a scheme sinangi la 40 lakhs bangke lapen
Kosong nasional cepat long dulu so scheme.
Mana ladak Robot Board of India tu isia scheme kapak lang tu. Lastro ya Jirsong Asong tu. Lastro scheme kapak lang long sini li tum tami cingki cetan lo. Lapen la pada thangkechen pada Dr. pada Rubin lah tum pen cingki cetan lo sila HDP RPS bedu. Isi society purchasing la society chasing mensi la 40 lakhs scheme kan nang sanction.
Komen tu.
Ke klema bangke ini kan ingkan isi parik erlo. Nona bangke final movement है immigration lo jala mane tang elu pu so opening sila dak angton nercap lan long nercap pen itip RPS la so GPC la si tip opening la petat la
Ini arong apa dong kita mana kupni cluster hisap.
mane cluster kali si society
Society.
mane rubber producer society bola so society isi seng pensi area kipi la to mane every 15 kilometers sila tum also scheme kipi
Every 15 kilometer.
every 15 kilometers apen so la isia group buna po society hisab lo seminar sila dak chisolai nang po apen mo non pin immigration kre lo la pin apen bangke akam ka pangcheng po apik nampo dak paplang po la siala tires company tum sila dak pilih tum hanang cingki pola tum sengke dak pan pon
Mana nali puji bongala adung ara ari dan dalam mesin long siwan.
oh van et po mana nang hang tum badang nang ci koy dun long lo mana nang jor dun long lo
Kalau mesin kavi itu mana.
mesin kabi tum la dak bang long lo sambil la dak bang ke quality bang mesin ni la si apik sinam ni dong apik nam po dong sala bagan mani dong sa apik jori do pote hala tum aphan contact po angke mili tum matsi la society mas hala dak abagana long dam po apik sami hadak ban si van
Mana komania dukan long joran nang lo.
Cumanya adukan long dam nang lo pen mana customer fan cingki nang lo
Dak masih.
ladak matsi bang nomor api ni meeting long nang thana teng bode ladak matsi company bang ji po negi MRF company tum si bang palam do gari ciban ladak man si aplang ko la tum pon tu po chorol